Hey Sadie, is Mama home? Show you what I came home to. Got my toes in the sand. I love, reminds me of Hawaii. I don't know what I look like. Hey, Sold on RV Life crew. This is Laura from Sold on RV Life. Oh gee, did I just say that? I'm home. I am home from all of my travels, Washington and California, and let me show you what I came home to. So while I am getting ready to brave the cold weather to take the dog out for her morning constitutional, how about you check this video out about my time when I was in California. I am in Southern California and I really haven't said too much about it, but while I was at my mom's, my son had an accident on his e-bike. He's been in a cast. Unfortunately, he did it all on the same side, so he can't use crutches or a cane or anything. And so he's been laid up. I was able to fly out here. I finished my time at my mom's and then I went home to Nebraska for 1 week, and then now I'm back out here. Left Port Ole and Sadie again, and now I am in Southern California. Well, it is beautiful here, Southern California. Way too many houses for this girl who's been living in the country. Anyway, I'm going to attempt to do some walking, but I don't know what I'm doing, so we're just gonna do our best. It's a gorgeous day. It is March 1st, about 80 some degrees, and it's late in the afternoon. On my walk, I came across this. Very nice. I don't know if you can see the moon. It's very pretty. Say hi to the beautiful people.
Hi, beautiful people. Alright, we're about to feed Moki a rat.
His name is what?
Moki.
Moki.
Like
I'm hoping for a dramatic snatch.
Problem is your son is not left-handed and he's a little...
Yeah, that's really big. Okay, I should have did a forewarning. Cover your eyes.
Oh, she'll go pretty fast here. She doesn't swallow wood chips as she eats it. Normally I would do it while she's in the tree.
And how often do you feed?
Just depends. If you want your snake to get really big, you feed them every 2 to 3 days.
Oh wow!
If you want them to
And they'd
stay-
like that? They'd eat that?
Yeah, they'll eat as much as you give them. So
Really? So how? Well,
I only feed her about once a month, which is why she's so small.
So what's the process here?
Nothing. Now I just let her. She's gonna sit there and hold it for a while.
There's the face right there. I don't know if you can see it or not.
Yeah.
Wow.
This takes her about 20 minutes.
20 minutes? Look how
Just
big
depends. If you figure a second one, then that one goes down much faster.
Because it's already
She's all
open.
prepared and ready to go.
And okay, I'm going to put you on, but what kind of snake is this?
This is a carpet python.
Carpet python.
Carpet python.
Why is it called a carpet python?
I think it's just because of the coloring and everything. It's very pretty. I don't actually know.
That's okay.
She's just a constrictor. I've had her she's actually like 15 years old. So that's how she's
Really?
very small.
So constrictors, so is it swallowing or does it
No, she's just
does she think she's squeezing it to
She
death?
thinks she's squeezing it to death, and then
Okay.
she's going to slowly start swallowing it head first.
Okay.
And then that's it.
What?
She's got pretty big fangs, but there's no venom. It's just for her so she can hold the mouse and not let it go.
Because if it was alive, it would be moving. Very interesting. 15 years, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like I said, she could be a lot bigger, but I didn't want her to grow enormous.
Yeah, so if you're interested in having, this is the size of not very big.
No.
So you too could have a pet snake. How many snakes have you had over the years?
6.
What's the biggest?
Most of them, the biggest one was about 7 feet long, about that big around.
And that was a python or?
No, corn snake. If you're going to get yourself a pet snake, I do recommend corn snakes because they're docile, they're very friendly. If they do bite you or your kid, it's just little pinpricky things. Hurts less than being bit by a cat. But they're not. They're very friendly.
In my opinion.
Yeah. They're very friendly and cute, and they like to be held.
So your corn snake was that big around?
Yeah, about that big around.
And
That's the
didn't
thickest
you have a
part.
big yellowy white? What was that?
That was also great. I had 4 corn snakes,
Oh, okay.
the carpet python, and I did have a boa constrictor, but he had obviously been captured from the wild, and he was not very friendly.
Nice.
If you're going to get a snake, get it from a snake breeder who's in a good pet trade and not illegally stealing them from South America.
Best advice ever, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you very much. This is my son Brandon, if I have not introduced, and he is currently incapacitated in many ways. But he's getting better, and that's why like I said, why I'm here in California. So, thank you for the science lesson. Oh, I'm so excited. We're at the Pacific Ocean. How gorgeous is this? Oh, I wish you could smell it. It's like a fake whistle.
Yes, it is a pizza.
You know, it's like there's no train in sight. What the heck? Actually. So where are we?
We're in San Clemente.
San Clemente. Oh, there it goes. I thought it was coming the other direction. Wave to the people. Hi. Bye. Makes me think of a song. Got my toes in the sand. I don't have a beer, but this feels amazing. Some footage. Waterfall, right? Gorgeous day. And to think it's only March 5, right? March 5th. This is my last night in California, and we're trying to catch the sunset, but someone might think I'm trying to spy on their yard. I'm not. I'm watching the sun.